Sam's Roadside Service. I'm going to demo the 25-inch breaker bar with the DeWalt impact gun method of removing lugs. Obviously you want to leave the wheel on the ground. You don't want your car jacked up when you're doing this. So you bust them loose, switch over to your impact, jack your car up. Come over here, zip them off. Bang, the wheel's off, put your spare tire on. When you go to put your wheel back on, set it on the hub and stick your foot right here. Keep the wheel flush on the hub. Take one lug nut, put it on the bottom, a couple screws in. Now the wheel's on. Switch over to your torque stick. This measures how tight you get the bolts. I always stick my foot back on because some wheels spin. Come over here. Take it easy when you first start it off. Make sure it's on there straight. Boom, done. Lower it down. Now I hit them again just in case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. That's the